What's up, guys? We are here in LA for a very special thing.
They hate when you elevate. You're stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate.
We are in the Xsens offices. We're gonna be trying out the Xsens suit, which is one of the best ones out there, to not say the best one, because it's really high fidelity. So we're here with Byron. He's one of the best filmmakers that I know. He's right here in LA. So all these people came to the restaurant.
Yeah. All the Hollywood celebrities, they all come here, man. That's why I had to take you here, dude.
That's right, that's right. You know it.
Now you guys can put your photo. Put our photo out there, dude.
We put our photo there. With Byron, Gorka, and Marco. Alright, so we just came out of the Korean barbecue, honestly. Amazing. Like I said, it was the first time trying out, and you know, Marco also loved it. So now what we're doing is gonna head out into Xsens.
Hold on, I gotta key in though. There we go. Hello, should I sign in or am I good? All right, Gorka, we got a suit, you know, picked out for you. This is my favorite suit. It's the Xsens Link.
Okay.
It's our flagship suit, and yeah, I use it all the time. It's amazing. We'll have you change into this, and we'll give you the Manus Pro gloves, which are really high fidelity gloves that will go with this to do a full body capture. And we'll be using our new software to you know, have you test it out, see what your impression of it is.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good. I'm excited. Let's see. Let's see. So guys, we're ready. Oh, nearly. To put this up. Did I put it good?
Huh?
I think so, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just need to put this up.
You look like Superman, bro.
I look like Superman.
Superman, all right.
Like,
over here. You can wear your shoes.
Okay.
And then, because there's a sensor that goes on top of your shoe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And you can just tuck the sensor into the laces.
And is it this like this, or?
So, look, check this out. So this part.
Oh,
so
okay.
yeah, put your shoe on, and then we put this like on top of the shoe.
Oh, I get you. Okay, perfect. Me quita el zapato que si no. 14,000 esto, ¿eh? Como lo parta.
These are inertial motion capture suits, so there's no cameras or any kind of you know, optical system. You really just need the suit and a laptop to record, and they're sensor based. So these little orange sensors, they're in the suit right here. Each one has a IMU, so a magnetometer and a gyroscope that measures all the motion, and we're able to use our algorithm to calculate where it is in relation to his body, and we use a biomechanical model that then makes all the magic happen. So got the sensors down here. So mainly we don't want these sensors to move around too much. So these suits are used in all the big, you know, studio movies, Marvel movies, as well as for AAA video game companies to do animation. We're also used in other industries like health and sports, ergonomics, as well as robotics. So there's a lot of use cases for these. They are the world's best inertial motion capture system. And you know, we take a lot of pride in the quality of the data and the hardware and the software that has like a HD reprocessing, which cleans up and fixes the data even after you record the raw data. Go ahead and put your bandana on.
Okay.
Or the headband, I mean.
Oh, okay.
This way. Here.
Okay, my bad.
So now you're gonna look like a ninja.
A ninja.
So the logo is a little bit more in the front.
Oh, where's the logo? A ninja.
Yeah, you feel comfortable?
Yeah, I'm actually pretty comfortable.
Okay, so now we're gonna turn it on and get some motion capture here.
Okay. Yeah, cooked.
29.
We're ready.
Okay, hold on, let's see.
Pero enfócame las manos. Look at this. Look at my hands. There we go. Like in the metaverse.
Damn, that's you.
Damn, that's me.
So, check the sternum. Okay, yeah, I mean, you know, you can observe the data right here.
Ooh. Could I even like run a bit?
Yeah, run. Right, move around. You can run all over.
Ooh. And I could go outside of this?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, there's no limit to the capture space. So
crazy.
I'm gonna record one of the mocap.
Are you going?
Run. Does this.
All right, go ahead. Yeah, run.
With the 30,000, bro.
Run out.
Let's leave with a 30,000.
Run out of the office. Run all the way to the airport.
Ooh, man, it's crazy. Show that.
So this is what we just recorded, and we're gonna do this thing called HD reprocess. And what this does is kind of like the secret sauce of Xsens. We use this to reprocess the data that was recorded, and using the biomechanical model and our special, algorithm, it fixes any issues that might have happened, like pops, or if some limb was out of place or anything weird was happening, it would actually fix all of that. So essentially it cleans up your data. A lot of people really like this because basically, guarantees like really good quality data. Of course, there's still gonna be some cleanup depending on what your animation is gonna be like and all that, but it definitely, takes out a big chunk of any issues that might have occurred. So here we're doing the reprocessing, and a lot of times the reprocess, it really depends on your system. For us, it's gonna be pretty quick. We're using a Puget system, custom made laptop with a 5090, I think 75 gigs of RAM. And yeah, it's a pretty powerful laptop.
That's inside the laptop.
Our chosen laptop, and also my chosen desktop as well. They're great. They're a great workstation. And as you see, the reprocessing has already finished. Now if I play this back.
That's me. It's exactly what I did. It looks so clean. It's like literally.
Yeah, so smooth.
Yeah, and like the weight of the bones, like when I stop, kind of like, look.
You look like
It's exactly me. This is amazing, but how much does this cost?
Well, this system right here is like 14,000, and but I know it's kind of expensive for a lot of people. Also, the licensing costs money. But recently we just came out with like an indie bundle, which for smaller studios or indie creators that are making less than 100,000 a year, we are giving them 50% off on the licensing, for however many years they want to do it, and discounts on the hardware. Don't think that just because you're indie you can't afford this. Hit us up. We have special bundles and deals, as well as other systems like the Awinda, which is much more affordable. So there are ways to use pro level, hardware like this for your project.
So now you guys know that there's an indie bundle, and of course I will link it in the description just in case you want to check it out. And yeah, just go ahead and see if you can make insane animations with Xsens.
yeah.